Good morning and welcome to EBEONADI103.5 FM. Today, the last day of December, the 31st day of December 2024. Today is Tuesday and the time is 2 minutes past the hour of 7. It's time for newspaper headlines on EBEONADI 103.5 FM. This morning, we are going to take you through the news making the headlines on Nigerian newspapers. But before we do that, let's go for a short break. When we come back, we'll continue on the stories making the headlines. Please stay with us. You're welcome back to newspaper headlines on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. This morning, we are going to take you through the news making the headlines on The Guardian, Leadership, Vanguard, Sun, Daily Post, Punch, The Nation, This Day, and if time permits, we are also going to take a look at Nigerian Tribune newspapers. Remember that you can become part of the conversation by sending your reactions via SMS or WhatsApp messages on 081 38 39 7740 or 081 39 25 6742 or 080 65 79 6599. I am Martin. Let's get started with the Guardian newspaper this morning. Army arrests 8 suspected oil thieves, recover stolen products. Zamfara workers get holiday boost with 13th month salary. Police rescue POS robber from lynching in Ogun. While Buhari's attempt to conduct a population census failed. Land dispute. Anambra community leader accuses Kingsmen of abduction. Disengaged police officers beg Tinubu for reinstatement. Police vow to rescue abducted pastors in Adamawa, hunt for perpetrators. Woman seeks 30 million naira for kidney transplant. Winner emerges in Winner emerges in Lagos. Every home a garden competition. Cuts away 2.5 million naira. States spend more than aimed. To may continue reliance on FAAC income. States spend more than aimed. May continue reliance on FAAC income. Governor asked to intervene in Delta communities' land disputes. Group extols National Drug Law Enforcement Agency's anti-drug campaign urges sustainability. Human Rights Writers Association seeks a probe into alleged mismanagement of Moody's assets. Lagos churches, mosques, nightclubs to get noise permits. Wike replies orderly, accuses ex-governor of sycophancy. Ajah community strengthens ties with neighbors, host unity carnival. Witchcraft group sensitize cross-river communities against stigmatization. Edo community installs village head, seeks inclusive governance. NHRC urges Ododo to protect children's education rights. Court orders DSS to release Bodejo, says detention unlawful. Katsina governor hails Tinubu over appointment of Baduru